Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very quick vegetarian recipe which is cauliflower with potatoes. This is a small head of cauliflower which I cleaned, and you can also watch the previous video that we made, cauliflower with peas. There I am showing you all how we clean our cauliflower. I have 1 onion sliced, half a cup of oil, and here I have 2 potatoes, of which I used half a teaspoon of egg yellow coloring and a teaspoon of oil, because I'm going to firstly fry my potatoes out so the color will stay within the potato. Then for my spices, I have a tablespoon of mixed masala, a teaspoon of hurdee, a teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, and to taste I got a teaspoon of rough salt, but we will taste as we're cooking. Then for the braising, I have a little bit of curry leaf and a teaspoon of ginger garlic. And then to garnish, I have some lovely fresh dhania. Now we are ready to start cooking. I've got my stove on, moderate heat. I'm going to add in my half a cup of oil. To this oil, I'm going to slightly fry my potatoes first. And allow this to fry just a little bit so the color can stay to the potato. 8 minutes has passed us and the potatoes are fried out lightly. Take it out, put it back into the same bowl. First I'm going to put in my onions and allow my onions to fry out. My onions is turning color, so now I'll add in my curry leaf, my ginger and garlic, I'll give this 2 seconds to fry. Now I'm ready to put in my masalas. Mix my masala and give it 2 seconds and fry out. And thereafter I'm going to add in my cauliflower and just drop it in. And my salt to taste. I'll mix this so that cauliflower is coated with my spice, and then I'll leave it to fry for about 10 minutes with the lid on, but I'll keep checking. 10 minutes has passed, and as you can see, the masala is coated in the cauliflower and it got a very beautiful color. To this point, I'm going to add in my potatoes. And I forgot to mention about my tomato. This is one large tomato I grated, but if you have small tomatoes, you can use 2. So I'm adding in my tomato. Give this a good mix and give it another 5 to 6 minutes. Let me get back to you. 10 minutes has passed and the curry has came to another fry, of which the tomatoes are cooked out. I have a cup of water. I'm going to put in my cup of water and allow this to boil out, leaving the curry with a thick gravy. And I'll also increase my heat. 15 minutes has passed and you can see the cauliflower with the potatoes are done. And now I'm just going to garnish with a little bit of dhania and switch my stove off, and then I'm ready to serve. Here you go, a lovely vegetarian meal, cauliflower with potatoes and my savory rice that I very quickly cooked, and it goes very well with some dhal, and on the side I have lovely chillies pickle to go with. This is another lovely vegetarian recipe of which you can try when fasting, and don't forget to watch our other vegetarian recipes that we have for you. And I want to wish all our viewers all the best for the fast, and may God bless you all. We are going to take a break on Wednesday, but we'll catch you back next Sunday, and thank you all for watching.